Imagine a world where gravity suddenly becomes weaker. Would humans float away into space? Picture this unthinkable scenario. Gravity, the unseen force that keeps our feet on the ground and maintains the universe's structure, suddenly diminishes. It's the invisible glue that holds everything together, from the smallest particle to the vast galaxies. It's a fundamental factor in the existence of life as we know it. In a world with a weakened gravitational pull, our understanding of existence would be drastically altered. Without gravity, our existence as we know it would be unimaginable. Gravity, an invisible force, plays a crucial role in our daily lives and the universe. But what exactly is this force? Well, in the simplest terms, gravity is an attraction. Everything that has mass, from the tiniest atom to the largest star, pulls on everything else. This pull is what we know as gravity. It's a force that increases with mass and decreases with distance. So the more mass an object has, the stronger its gravitational pull, and the closer objects are to each other, the stronger the gravitational force between them. That's why we stay firmly planted on the Earth's surface and why the Earth orbits the Sun. But gravity doesn't just keep our feet on the ground, it shapes the universe itself. It pulls dust and gas together to form stars and planets. It's responsible for the orbits of planets around the Sun, the rotation of galaxies, and even the path light takes as it travels through space. Gravity also influences time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the stronger the gravity, the slower time passes. So if you were to stand on a planet with twice the gravity of Earth, your watch would tick slower compared to someone on Earth. Gravity, though invisible and often taken for granted, is the invisible glue that holds everything together. But what if this invisible glue became less sticky? What if gravity became weaker? Imagine for a moment a world where gravity's grip is a little less firm. You'd certainly feel lighter, but the ramifications would reach far beyond simple weight loss. Firstly, let's talk about our bodies. Human physiology has evolved under the constant pressure of gravity. A weaker gravity might lead to muscle atrophy and bone loss, akin to what astronauts experience in space. Over time, we might find ourselves taller and weaker, with our hearts struggling to pump blood efficiently. Next, consider the environment. The Earth's shape, a sphere, is due to gravity pulling matter uniformly towards the center. With less gravity, our planet might start to lose its round shape. Oceans would amass at the equator, creating a giant water belt around the Earth, while the poles would become barren and dry. Furthermore, gravity is the celestial glue that holds our solar system together. With a weaker gravitational pull, the orbits of planets, including Earth, could become unstable. This might lead to catastrophic collisions or planets drifting off into the cold depths of space. Lastly, even the stars wouldn't be spared. Less gravity would mean less pressure at the core of stars, disrupting the delicate balance required for nuclear fusion. This could lead to dimmer stars or even premature supernovae. A weaker gravity would cause a cataclysm of unimaginable proportions, disrupting life as we know it. So, the question stands, could we survive in a world with weaker gravity? The answer is complex. We've journeyed through the fundamental science of gravity, and it's clear that its strength is essential for our existence. We've seen the disastrous consequences that would ensue if it were to weaken. Without the pull of gravity, our world as we know it would cease to exist. As we have seen, gravity is not just a force, it is the fundamental principle that defines our existence.